good. On the ground, debris cloud, debris cloud. We have touchdown. Woohoo!
Finally!
All right.
That is gorgeous.
That is so pretty.
Let's get up here and stop anywhere we can along this hill because we're in the right spot right here. Coming right at us right here. We got to get a view of up here somewhere. Go get away from this hill, please. Go, 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 go. Go. We can't stop here. Nice little elephant trunk. Yeah, stop right up here. Debris on the ground, debris cloud right up to our left. Oh, get away. Yeah, we got to get up here if we can have a view at the cut of the hill right here. Excellent.
There? There.
Yeah, just pull off right here. Let's just watch it for a minute. Still a debris cloud on the ground over there.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Nope, same one.
One.
They ain't roped out yet. They're still trying. There comes the funnel down. It was on the ground.
Oh, it's definitely on the ground.
There we go.
There it goes.
There we go.
There it is. Nice contrast there too. Oh wow.
Another one developing to the right. A cone, look at it.
Yeah.
Tornado number 2 forming now. Tornado number 2. Oh, that's going to be a significant tornado there.
Yeah.
2 at a time. Look at this, folks.
Oh man.
Look at that. Number 3 back in the distance. It's coming right at us here. Get ready. Get ready to book because it's coming right at us.
Look at that.
You guys better close the door.
Yep. Got to have those. Well, you can leave it open for a minute, but hang on a minute.
That is close by, yeah. You'll have to close that door because I'm too...
Somebody's going to have to close that door.
Steve, can you... Not yet, but...
This is less than a mile from us. Less than a mile.
That whole thing is spinning.
You have a massive mesocyclone right here in front of us.
Oh, this is outstanding.
This is great. This is going to be a violent tornado. Get the door closed. Get the door closed now. Now.
Come on, let's go.
We got seconds here. Hang on. Don't go anywhere. Just hang on.
Now you tell me when.
Look at that.
Holy shit, that is so close to us. Oh my god. Man, oh man.
Oh, that's worth it right there. This is going to wrap up into a violent tornado.
Look at that motion. That is ridiculous.
That was so pretty.
That was cool.
You can hear the waterfall sound. Oh, this is coming right at us. We got to go south now. Now, quickly, quickly. We got to go, people. This is coming right at us. Large tornado developing right here, a few feet away from us. It's right turning big time. Big meso right here, wrapping right by here. Oh, it's off the hill. across a damage path here. We will definitely come across a damage path. Look at it out there. Strong tornado. Strong multi-vortex tornado. Seriously.
Yeah, there's a damage path here.
Oh my God, I hope nobody was in that.
Can't get to it.
Did you turn your wipers on?
Like that?
Look outside here. Or right.